Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rezki Rizal Suhendri. I'm first semester English Education Study Program at PGRI Silampari University. In this video, I would like to tell a fairy tale from West Sumatra, and this fairy tale is Malin Kundang. Very long time earlier, there was a poor household which included a mother and also her only child, Malin Kundang. Malin's dad was gone when he was a baby. Malin's mother worked so difficult throughout the day so they might eat and survive. Malin was a good wise boy, yet he was a bit naughty. He always helped her mom, who enjoyed her so much. Although he and also her mom had actually functioned so hard, they were still inadequate. Feeling unfortunate seeing his mom still work in her senior time, Malin requested leaving to locate a job in a big city. Ma, I intend to most likely to huge city to find a work, asked Malin. Don't leave me alone, boy, said his mommy. I should go, ma. I do not wish to see you work hard any longer. I guarantee I'll return, claimed Malin. With low feeling, Malin's mommy allowed her boy go. The next day, Malin went to the large city by a ship. Malin accepts looking, wise and solid male. Numerous ladies fell crazy with him, consisting of a daughter of the wealthiest vendor in the city. Malin also really fell in love with her too. To marry the girl, Malin functioned so difficult. He also hidden all his past, his beginning as well as his own mother. In short, they lastly married. Malin then ended up being the wealthiest man in the city with many vendorship, a huge lovely residence, as well as numerous servants. Malin was prosperous right now, but he forgot his very own mother. He forgot his mother who in all her praise cried wishing Malin's safety and security. He forgot his mother who constantly waited her kid return every morning in the harbor. He neglected his mom that enjoy as well as miss her child Malin so much. Yet Malin never came back. Eventually, Malin's partner wished to go vacation in the next island which took 3 days cruising. So, Malin prepared his big lavish ship and also whatever to cruise. However, in the center of his trip, storm blockaded his ship. Therefore, the ship needed to board in this closest island, the island where Malin was born. It was an uncommon event. A huge extravagance boarded in the harbor of the island where all the villagers are anchored. So, when the ship boarded, every citizen near the harbor came to see, including Malin's mother. Malin's mom was shocked as well as wept heavily. She saw Malin in the ship. She saw Malin return to see his mom. With hurry, Malin's mom most likely to fulfill her beloved child. Is that you, Malin? Is that you? My precious child? I'm your mommy. You bear in mind, asked Malin's mom. Son, she claimed you are her boy. Is it real, Malin? Is this bad old sting lady your mommy? Malin's wife sobbed. No, no, my dear better half. I have no idea this poor lady. I aren't sure you bad or have an other female, said Malin. What Malin said really injured his mother heart. She cried and cried. She really did not think that her own kid did terrible point on her, his mom. With anger, she prayed to the Almighty God to respond exactly what her son had actually done to her. Unexpectedly, the wind blew hard and also the tornado roared. Malin and his better half returned to the ship take shelter. The tornado got worse as well as hit Malin's ship, destroy it. Every person inside was died, including Malin's better half. Malin himself was cursed. His body was transformed to rock as well as light with the coral reef. Okay, the fairy tale has finished. From this fairy tale, we can learn a lesson to always be dutiful to our parents. Thank you for following the fairy tale from beginning to end. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.